Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice day. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but from where it closed relative to where it was yesterday, I think everybody can agree, good solid bounce on the day. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at the $1.55 mark. Why is $1.55 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.55. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back down to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a true sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by. And I'm defining quote unquote progress as the $1.55 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward in this case. It's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So that'll be the key level to keep an eye on with any sort of continued upwards price movement. It'll be interesting to see how the price reacts around that purple line. But no doubt about it, any way you slice it, bulls had a nice bounce today. Now it's just a matter of can they build upon this bounce going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.